Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to see how good this book is. Last time that video was kind of bad because my mom was super annoying. Well, today we're going to do that again, but we're going to see the steam engine part. Let's get started. Just turn this up. Okay, so you already seen this change through the ages, but there's something different you can do. Let's go to the other one. Oh, not that. No. So look at this here. Okay, you can see stuff. Not letting me because I just good. So that's all the video here. Bye.